In this quick guide, you'll learn how to edit a location name on Google Maps. Whether you've come across a misspelled location name or you need to update a name for accuracy, this tutorial will show you the steps to make those changes effectively. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. Once you're on the Google Maps only page, go ahead and enter the location you'd like to edit in the search bar at the top. Alternatively, if you're browsing around the map, you can click directly on the location that needs a name change. This will pull up a small info card at the bottom of your screen with more details about the place you've selected. Now that you have the location's info card open, scroll down to find the option labeled Suggest and Edit. Clicking this will open a new interface with you where you can make changes to the location details. You'll see several options here, but for today's purpose, we want to focus on editing the location name. Click on the name field, which will allow you to make the necessary adjustments. Here, you can correct any spelling errors or update the name to its current or more widely recognized version. Once you've made the changes, take a moment to review your edits. It's important to ensure that everything is accurate to avoid any confusion for future map users. If everything looks good, proceed to click the Submit button. Google will then review your suggested edit, and if it's approved, the location name will be updated for everyone to see. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a location name on Google Maps. Remember, these changes won't appear instantly as they undergo a review process, but rest assured you've done your part to improve the map's accuracy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.